Good morning, everybody. It's December 31st, 2021. My name's Piano Matty B. That is Scaramucci's. This is your morning TA. Brief glimpse into the crypto market, where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. All a humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni, bringing the data. The FOMO index is at 28 from yesterday's 22. Bitcoin dominance is at 40.4%. 24-hour volumes at 93 billion, and the overall market cap is 2.26 trillion. Give or take 100 million, B minor 7th. Well, it's the last day of 2021, and what a year she's been. We started it off with a Bitcoin price of $29K, and the community was absolutely euphoric. We're ending at roughly $20K higher, or 60% up from last year, at about $48K. And the community is pretty much meh about it all. As the 2021 party raged on, we saw April hit a high of $65K, followed by what some called a mini bear market as we surfed the Chop Suey coast for almost 3 months down at 30-40K range. When we broke up and out of that, we climbed to a new high of 69K, throwing the community into a fit of meh. We find ourselves surfing another Chop Suey coast firmly knuckled in around 47K-ish. We are polarized between professional traders saying this is as bullish as a bullish chart gets, technically speaking, and retail traders saying, yeah, well, not bullish enough, thanks. If you're new to crypto in 2021, you're probably feeling like that poker player at the table on your first night in Vegas, telling everybody where you're from, asking others, hey, where are you from? Wondering where the waitress is and why she hasn't come back enough. And maybe watching your initial stack go down a tad. Now, if you got to the table in 2020, you're that guy in the hoodie, the hat, the sunglasses, and earpods, not saying a word, behind your stack that has doubled, if not tripled. Skidoo, yeah, lootin' doo doo. And if you were here before 2020, you're probably not at this table. You're probably at the table in the room behind the ropes with the locked doors, security, personal masseuse, and your own private bar. This is like the Darwinian crypto chart. We all start as the chatty guy looking for the waitress. If you hold on, you become the hooded assassin in the corner. And if you hold on a little more, you get to the room behind the ropes. This is just how she wakes. The evolutionary distance between your first table and the table behind the ropes is 4 years. That's it. It's not 25 years of listening to some boss tell you what to do and how to do it. It's 4 years. 4 years from where's the waitress to your own private bar, B minor 7th again. Moving into 2022, we have a couple short-term bullish indicators that I'm hoping can invalidate some of the not-so-bullish patterns we talked about in yesterday's video. And yes, they are both my new kink, hidden bullish divergence. On the daily, we have it on the MACD, as price action has made higher lows, while the MACD has made lower lows. This kinky little so-and-so is hidden bullish divergence. Especially kinky in an uptrend, which we are, despite the mountain of sentimental meh. Now over on the weekly, we have hidden bullish divergence with the relative strength index. With price action making higher lows and the RSI making lower lows, these two patterns are hopefully double kinky invalidatrixes. Moving into 2000, and 22. The swings may be crazy this year, but you've already made the life-changing move of grabbing a seat at the table. The vast majority of humans, and we're talking like 97%, have yet to grab a seat. So congratulations. All you have to do now is stay at the table. If you want to play aggressively and take down some pots, well, go for it. If you just want to pay your blinds when they come around, that's fine too. We all play the game a little differently, but the only thing we have to do is stay at the table. So I wish you all the best in this upcoming year. Thanks for letting me into your early morning coffee routine. We've held on through some heavy storms, and we've all made it. So Happy New Year, everybody. And remember, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected lead. That's right, it's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day/year. Bit boy crypto morning tea. Hey, whoa. Wait a second. It's Friday and it's the end of the year. So sing me out. 3, 4. Whoa. Ching. Happy New Year.